Here we are, it's the 4th of July. We're in Texas on the Guadelupe River. And there's my family floating down the river. It's a beautiful day. It's 102 outside, but the river is just beautiful. I invited a few of my friends along with us today. You can see they've joined us. They're a little faster than we are, though. A couple of my friends didn't want to float, but they're up on the shore. Well, none of these people actually know they're my friends yet, but that's only because they haven't met me. Otherwise, they'd want to be my friend. My wife says I'm working on humility. I think I've got it down. I don't think I need to work anymore. Hi. Happy 4th of July. See you later. Bye. What do you guys think? What do you think, Sean? There he goes. Sean's approaching the rapids. There he goes. Ride him, Sean. Ride him. There he goes. Whoa! He's off.
We didn't go in them. Get over that way if you want to go in them.
Here, I gotta get over those rapids. Here, let me get over there. Oh, I'm taking off. I'm taking off.
No, they're like just swimming.
Here I go. Oops. Oops, got my buns on that. Ooh. I hit a stick. I hit a stick. Oh, whoa, ride him, cowboy. Uh-oh. Better watch out for that tree. George of the jungle, watch out for that tree. Oh. There are the girls. Whoa, I don't think I'm supposed to be turning that much. Oh, I better kick it. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, there's a push off. That was fun. Look at Cootsy and Liz. Look at Mackenzie. She's stuck on a rock. She's stuck on a rock. Only my daughter. Oh, she's free. Oh, that was fun. There she goes. I'm on a rock. You gotta get off to the side. Like this. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Almost there. Oh, you're cheating.